Looking to choose the best help desk software between Freshdesk and Jira Service Management? In this video, we're diving deep into both to help you make an informed decision. By the end, I'll give you a recommendation, but stick around because you might find a better alternative for your needs. First, let's start with Freshdesk. This software is designed for ease of use, making it a solid option for businesses looking for a simple and effective help desk. It offers a great user interface, ticket management, and automation features. But here's the thing, while it's user-friendly, its customization options are limited compared to others in the market. If you're a growing business with complex needs, you might find yourself outgrowing it faster than you'd like. Next thing, let's talk about Jira Service Management. This tool is known for its integration with Jira software, making it ideal for teams that are already using Jira for project management. The software has powerful features for incident management, change management, and service request management. It's scalable, which is great for larger teams or enterprises. But here's the catch, if you're not already familiar with Jira, the learning curve can be steep. Also, its interface isn't as intuitive as Freshdesk's, which can make onboarding new users a bit of a hassle. The third thing to consider is the pricing structure. Freshdesk offers a free plan, which is great if you're just starting out or have a small team. But once you need more advanced features, the pricing tiers can get expensive. Jira Service Management also offers a free plan, but again, its real power shines with the paid plans. If you're a smaller team with a limited budget, you might feel the pinch here. Another thing to keep in mind is support. Freshdesk excels in this department. It has excellent customer support, including 24/7 live chat and email support. Jira Service Management, while offering solid support, tends to rely more on community forums and documentation. So if you need hands-on help, Freshdesk might be the better option for you. The fourth thing is automation. Both Freshdesk and Jira Service Management have robust automation features, but Jira takes the crown here. Its powerful workflows allow you to automate complex processes, which is great for larger teams. Freshdesk, while offering automation, doesn't quite compare when it comes to advanced workflows. Now, we've discussed the pros, but let's talk about the cons. Freshdesk, while simple, lacks some advanced capabilities that larger teams or more tech-savvy users might need. Jira Service Management, on the other hand, can feel overcomplicated for smaller teams or those without a dedicated IT department. Finally, after trying both myself, I have to say that both Freshdesk and Jira Service Management are good in their own right, but there's a better option out there for those of you looking for something that offers the best of both worlds: simplicity and powerful features. If you want to get access to this better alternative, take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. So, whether you go with Freshdesk, Jira Service Management, or a more tailored solution, make sure to choose based on your team's specific needs. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to check out that free trial for a better experience.